Mena no Nihongo Vocabs Lesson 21. Omoimasu, think. Iimasu, say. Tarimasu, be enough, be sufficient. Kachimasu, win. Makimasu, lose, to be defeated. Omatsuri ga arimasu, a festival, be held, take place. Yako ni tachimasu, be useful. Mudana, wasteful. Fobenna, inconvenient. Onaji, the same. Sugoi, awful, great. Shushu, prime minister. Daitorio, president. Seiji, politics. News, news. Supichi, speech. Supichi ochimasu, make a speech, deliver a speech. Shiai, game, match. Arubaito, part-time job. Arubaito o shimasu, work part-time job. Iken, opinion. Ohanashi, talk, speech, what one say, story. Ohanashi o shimasu, talk, tell a story. Yumua, humor. Muda, waste. Design, design. Kutsu, transportation, traffic. Rashu, rush hour. Saiken, recently, these days. Tabun, probably, perhaps, maybe. Keto, surely. Hontoni, really? Sonani, not so much. Nitsoite, about, concerning. Shikata ga arimasen, there is no other choice. It can't be helped. Shibarako desu ne, it's been a long time no see. Demo, numimasen ka? How about drinking or something? Minaito, I've got to watch it. Mochiron, of course. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe at Japanese Learning Hub. Mata ne!